Your video is definitely getting stopped after posting. It keep repeating over and over. As a phone technician, what do you think is the right thing to do? But I tell you, I get the algorithm doesn't like you. The platform you are using don't want you to grow. That's why your page is stopped. Those are emotional talks. Stand up and do something for yourself. I don't want you to stuck in that emotional sentiment. Don't keep yourself in that emotional hostage. Stand up and make that video go viral. Make it work. These are some ways you can make your videos actually move from one view to the rest of the views, just as every other person does. First, learn to tweak your videos. Don't, as I'm recording, you see me recording, right? I would want to stay in one place, position myself, and talk everything as if I'm AI. No. If you're filming how to fix your device, position your camera in a way that every angle is being witnessed and seen. Everything you are doing is easily seen. The person that is watching you the person that is viewing how he would fix something like you would watch to the end. Don't get it stuck. You are walking in one position, you keep walking on that position. Nobody is seeing the other part of the environment. That could make an individual skip and move to the next. Then while filming, make it feel live. Make it a tutorial. Not everybody understand what you are doing. Not everybody knows what you're actually doing. Maybe after you finish recording your videos, you could drop a voiceover to enlighten the people whom you make the video for to know what you are actually doing. In that way, fixing phones, technicians, this channel is not an entertainment channel. You wouldn't expect your video to go as viral as those who are entertaining. So that is why many times after posting your videos, you find out that days can pass, not even a single view. It can be frustrating though, but don't give up. That is another key to going viral. Consistency. Consistently doing the right thing, consistently working on the right project, consistently filming the right thing to get the right result can take you farther. Nobody says it's easy. It's not going to be easy. But you keep trying so that you can get to where you're going to. Film different things to get different results. Another way that can help you is to share your videos. Go into that group, phone repair group. People want to know what you have. People are finding things difficult. Share your videos over there. Tell them this is what I have. This is what I can do. People who love you want to see what you are putting out there. And learn to make a sharp thumbnail. Thumbnails matters. Unless you want to be a lazy one. Don't be a lazy one if you really want to be profitable in this. Just as you started your phone repair business, so you started your content. You never knew one day you grow like this. And today people far away and bringing you device to get it fixed. That is how content works. In the beginning, it looks very hot and difficult, very horrible, and very disgusting because you are exhausted. You can't get it twisted. So you must have yourself do the work before you get success. Walk in silence and success will make the noise. Stop putting up those emotional thoughts. My video can't go viral. Things can happen this way. No. Do the best you can and see things working out for you. Create that thumbnail. Consistently post that video. Yes, consistently post that video. Tweak those videos around and let people see you smile.